Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of TIMVIX Tries, where I try to do something that I've never done before. In this episode, I'm trying to cook chapati. So over the past few years, I've learned how to cook some basic stuff like vegetables, dal, paneer, chicken, but I've never tried to cook chapati. To be honest, I don't know how to make chapati. And for this episode, I thought it would be really nice if my Tata could join, and I'm going to learn how to make chapati from him. My Tata is going to help me. He's going to teach me how to cook the chapati. So Tata, how did you learn how to make chapatis? Who taught you?
My mother.
Your mother taught. And how old were you when you made your first chapati?
About 30 years old.
30. So he was 30 when he made his first chapati. I think 21 right now, so I'm ahead. I'm getting a head start. This is going to be interesting. I'm taking a small shortcut. I'm not going to knead the dough now because it's getting late. So I'm directly going to take this and try to roll it into the chapati. Okay. This is the butter. Next Okay, successfully done. First step completed. Stage 2 is to, I'm going to take the one which I made. I think I made this one. I'm going to take this one, the one which I made, and go for the stage 2, that is rolling it into a flat chapati. And this is a critical stage because it has to be even on all the sides, otherwise the chapati won't taste good. Right? Let's go for it. This is the ghee. Successfully done. Please don't mind this, but successfully done. Oh my god, finally, this is my first chapati ever. It's successful, done. TIMVIX edition. You can place your orders through Swiggy or Zomato or ping me on WhatsApp. First chapati made by me. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for making us a part of your day. This is just a fun video. I was at my grandpa's place and I thought it's a good opportunity to spend some time together and also learn something new. So Dada, was I a good student?
Yeah.
I was a good student.
Excellent.
Do you think I'll be able to carry your chapati legacy forward?
Yes, definitely.
I will be
No
able.
problem.
And do you think my wife will be happy with my chapati?
Once you get married, she'll have to be.
She'll have to be. Alright, thank you for being such a good sport, Tata. And if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content, and I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.